Man, you too. I'm back with another banger video. Today we're gonna go over this $2,000 trade, guys. On how we took this trade, guys. So how we took this trade was pretty much, break a structure, fair value gap trade. All right, let's get right into it, guys. All right, so boom. You know what you have to do. You mark out pre-market lows and pre-market highs. Today I just marked out pre-market highs just because. Like, just looking at the pre-market, like, look at how it just kept going up. I was like, okay, we're definitely in an uptrend, right? I didn't see the market coming down all the way down here. I did not see the market dropping down all the way down here. So like, I'm not even gonna mark the lows, just marked out the highs and just see what happens, see how it plays out. Let's zoom in and see what happens. Boom. We see price come down here. Market opens right here. And what do we see? We see a lot of strong buying power going on, which was a very good sign. We see a lot of strong buying power going on. Sweep these highs, boom. Sweep these highs, and we make a fair value gap inside of these highs. Boom. Price came into this fair value gap. I did not enter yet because you have to wait for confirmation, guys. I did not enter. Boom. We see this candle come up. I wanted to enter on this candle, but you know the rules. You have to wait. Boom. I waited for this candle to close up to here. Entered on this candle, and it, stops right here. Cut the reasonable stop just because I felt like, having a stop right here. You could have set your stop right here or like your stop right here, but I just kept it right here for the 1 and 2, okay? The stop, I didn't really have control of the stop, but let's just say we did follow the strategy, kept the stop right here, aim for a 1 and 2. Okay, you definitely hit that 1 and 2 today. Today was super bullish. Okay, so it's just super easy setup. This is an ES, and let's look on SPY. Because SPY, okay, yeah, SPY, let's go right to here on SPY as well. Let's go over this trade right here. Let me first just move this down a little bit. Hop into the 1 minute. Now we're going on a SPY trade, okay? Let's go over this trade right here. Did I enter on this candle right here? No, I did not. I don't think I entered. I entered on the breaker structure. Let's hop on a 5 minute stack, guys. I'm all over the place right now. Oh yeah, that trade was just an idea, I'm pretty sure. I did not take that trade for real. Okay, boom. Now we have this right here. Here we have a 5 minute fair value gap. 5+ fair value gap. Let's change the color to something that we could actually see. White, no, gray, black. Yeah, we could kind of see black. Can't really see blue. Yeah. Okay, but let's just do this right here. 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, we have this 5 minute fair value gap. Mark this out. Hop into the 1 minute. And if you guys actually see, you could. I was going to snipe this entry, right? I see price come into this 5 minute fair value gap, right? Price came into here. Boom. This candle closed above. I could have entered down here. Okay, you could have entered down here and kept a super small stop loss. But, keep your stop on the fair value gap. Just because just how the price is moving, I did not expect price to even come back down. So, boom, we come here. Bop, 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 bop. Hit TP. Nice, easy play. Okay, guys. Nice and easy play. Like the setup. Super easy. I like bullish markets. Super easy to make money when the market's going up. You just literally press buy. You're going to make money. Alright, this is just pretty simple trading today. Okay. Let's hop on NQ. Pretty sure it's NQ right here. NQ is pretty much the exact same thing. Right, the market rips past pre-market high. Makes this fair value gap. Price came into this fair value gap. Taps into it. Boom. Entering long right here. Wait, go for the 1 and 2. Keep your stop loss. Have a reasonable stop loss, guys. Aim for the 1 and 2. All right, TP hit. Little to no drawdown in this trade. I like that. I like trades like these. Only thing I wish is I get better entries. Sniping these entries right here. The buying power is just so strong. They just had to snipe the entry. And yeah, let's look at crude oil. Crude oil was kind of the same, but like the setup wasn't the same. Like, yeah, it went up, but, the pre-market highs got swept right here. We tap into fair value gap here, but as you can see, it's not the prime time to use a strategy. We did go up, but not as we would like it to. I feel like the play was probably right here. See this market structure shift? Enter in here. That would probably been the play to take and aim for the highs. But, let's look at gold. Gold actually shit the bed. Okay, I like gold. I did not trade gold today, but look at this setup. Let's just move this to the side. I'm gonna put it like right here. Okay, like you see pre-market lows here get swept. Come to the fair value gap, and then and it drops. You could have took this entry right here, but low key, if it sweeps the low, you normally look for longs. So that's the only thing. But if you just seen this, how I respected this fair value gap, you could have just took the short right here or right here. It's really up to you. But the real play is down here. We see price break below the pre-market low, and we have a break of structure, and we form a fair value gap. Then we see price come into it, taps into it. You would have taken the short. You would have entered in right here. Stop above this level. Target for a 2-to-1. And as you can see, you would have hit that easily. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. How quick is this video? 5-minute video. I'm going to get back to what I'm doing. I don't really feel too good. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. We out.